birthday firework?
Oh look, he's really startled by this.
Wow.
Wow! Woo! 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 Look! Yeah! Oh, woo! Alright, go ahead. Here you go. You don't have to do anything but just hold there. Hey! Yay! Yay!
Oh, the car alarms.
Yay! They're pretty. They're pretty. Look. Yay! Ooh. Oh, I'm like not getting them. Yep. Here we go. Woohoo! Yay! Yay! Oh, he wants to watch them. I know. Watch. Look here. Look. 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 Pretty, huh? Pretty. It's pretty. What, honey? What? A hug? It's okay. Woo! 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 That's all, baby. Woohoo! You want to go in the van? Yeah. You gotta admit, it is kind of cool against the moon.
Yeah, it is.
Boom.
Clear night for them too.
I know. Nana's right here, Pumpkin. Ooh, ah. Let's see, he wants me. You want Nana to sit in the van with you? Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's for you.
I got this one shoe.
You got his one shoe? Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. Look at that. Ooh, that's gonna be green. Nope, that's not green. Come on, head.
Hello. They do. Wow. Meanwhile, that thing's recording all our conversations.
I know. That's rather low.
That's the Walmart water fountain.
Hey, look out. You gotta give her that bush right there.
Yeah.
You can't even see him on the phone.
Nah, hard to see.
That little baby isn't even crying.
A green.
The one that's down
That
there.
was
That's of course from Canyon. Just use the adventure outs.
Yeah, right. No, I think if you roll the windows up and go in the car.
And the van has to do windshield. You gotta get perfect view.
Exactly.
Yeah, if you like put the van, roll the windows, put some nice soft music.
Yeah.
Fine.
Exactly. I'm like, good. Now I won't have to miss any fireworks next year.
Never sit through the whole thing. He'll be bored.
See it all, baby?
Yeah.
Can you?
Yep. I'm not watching it through the phone.
What are you taking pictures or?
Oh no, I'm recording it for Mom.
Yeah. Oh, that was a big one.
Yeah. Can you believe it's already been a year?
A year since when?
Since we seen fireworks last.
What are you talking about? We saw them at that moonshine party.
Oh, right.
You're talking about the ones here, though.
Yeah.
Last year.
Yeah, just time goes by so fast.
And that
It's
was
amazing to me,
I
you
did
know?
I did the last fireworks.
I know, and they were good.
But that's it. I'm finding there's more fireworks to go to this holiday.
Oh. I think there's some Tuesday night. I gotta double check. I'll let you know. I think the ones in New Milford are Tuesday.
Pretty cool.
Dude, when we have our boat, we can go to the ones on the water.
Yeah, they're awesome when they're on the water.
I'm waiting to hear like yeah, I'm waiting for it. You guys gotta see fireworks. Those are fireworks.
That was a good one.
That was like a dragonfly.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Should go for a walk. No, they're in the van.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That's nice. Well, here we go. Well, oh. Wait.
Puff on that other thing if you want.
I'm like, this is gonna be the grand finale.
That was a low one.
Oh.
Ready, yeah. Wow.
That's cool. I love how they just drop it.
Yeah. Oh, look,
What's with
look.
the low numbers?
I don't know.
Ooh.
Trying to like blow everything up.
That actually is pretty cool.
It is, but
Here
Oh,
it comes.
yeah.
Look up there.
Yeah. Yeah. Listen to the echo.
Baby.
That was a good one. Right
no,
there.
not at all.
Ooh. These remind me of
Now they got
Ferris
the big
wheel.
one.
Yeah.
Boom. Want to get down? Jesse? Want Jesse?
You come today, honey? All right, we switch.
Come on, sweetie.
We switch. No, I got it. You want Nana? Nana? Look. Take pictures?
Get out of Laura's way, though. You know,
Okay.
the last thing she wants is that in her face. Is that pretty? Ooh. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Boom.
Wow.
Wow. Whoa.
No, I mean, it's like.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Didn't go very high, did it?
I'm still very scarred by this.
There we go. There we go. That's pretty. Boom. Boom.